How to draw it? So it's simple. We'll start with a circle. After drawing a circle, just below it, we'll put an oval. So and that will be the oval. The next step we are going to do is we'll join the circle with the oval using curved lines. So I'm just curving line. After this, we are gonna add another oval inside the big oval, and we'll add the tail by using a curved line. So with this done, we'll add few more details. We'll add the big first draw triangle, then extend it inside the circle. After this, curve this line and later form a bulge towards the end and drag it inside. And similarly, we'll draw the lower beak. Once you are done with this, we'll use marker pen. So we'll start by tracing the outline. Then we will similarly trace the beak. And we'll add a small dot on the top of the beak. We'll continue with the same. With the oval. Once we are done with this, we erase the extra lines. Now after this, we are gonna do the eye. So just next to the beak, draw a small circle, and inside this small circle, we'll draw oval. And inside the oval, we put a shade, fill in the oval, and on the top we'll add a small line. Here we'll put some feathers. We'll add similar feathers here also. So with this done, we'll now move ahead to coloring. So I'll be coloring it using yellow. It's very easy. You can color with either sketch pens or crayons or color pencils, whichever you like. And after we have colored yellow, we'll color the beak using orange. Make sure you fill in the colors uniformly within the beak and don't cross the boundary. Take own time when you are trying to color small objects or small things like this. And we'll add a layer of blue inside its eye. And next we'll be doing this, we'll put some water around it. And using the marker, we'll put a line, and that's how we draw duck. Thank you.